Alright, in this video we're going to try to complete the square. Previously we've solved polynomial equations by setting them equal to 0 and then factoring. That only works if the polynomial can be factored. We're going to try a different technique, and that is to complete the square. And the way we set a problem up with completing the square is we first have to give us some space. Here we're going to have x squared plus 6x, and we're just going to leave a space here equals 7. Now the question is, how are we going to make a complete square or a perfect square on the left side of this equation? So we're going to take 6, we're going to take half of 6, I'm just going to make some notes over here. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and then 3 squared equals 9. So we're going to add 9 to both sides of this equation. We'll do more examples so you'll see where these numbers are actually coming from. And if you take a look at the left side of the equation, this is actually a perfect square. It is x plus 3 quantity squared. The right side of the equation, 7 plus 9, is 16. And now this equation only has one variable in it. It only appears once. So you can essentially solve it just like you'd solve any other single variable equation. In this case, this quantity is being squared. So we're going to take the square root of both sides. So I'm going to take the square root of the left and the square root of the right. And remember that when you take a square root, you want to put a plus or minus sign in front. So we have plus or minus 4, and we have x plus 3 on the left. X plus 3 equals plus or minus 4. Subtract 3 from both sides, and our answer is x equals negative 3 plus or minus 4. Now this is actually two different answers. Negative 3 plus 4 and negative 3 minus 4. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1, and negative 3 minus 4 is a negative 7. So x is either equal to 1 or negative 7.